time for us to find out if your great rooms are really great.
I want to see a room that feels like I want to hang out in it, but I also want to make sure that all the design elements are elevated and present.
Okay.
Let's go check them out. We'll be back.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Welcome to Melissa and Shannon's global getaway.
Okay.
Whoa, okay.
This feels kind of nouveau Paris.
I like the lighting install. Lighting is one of those things that it's really cool to play with scale. Thinking this is probably the TV.
Well, I think here's a note here.
We think our great room is flippin' amazing. Press the remote button to find out why. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's sick.
The artwork.
Melissa actually painted this.
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I would rather somebody paint their own picture than buy a generic piece that's hung in 5 million houses. And I like that they went for it.
This is the Riverbank Retreat.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
I feel like all this stuff is gonna come alive and sing a song.
And this is a gas fireplace that's meant to look like a wood-burning stove. I don't think I've ever seen this designed into a new build ever in my career.
Right. Whenever you're doing new build, you want to infuse character.
Right.
They've got it with this.
Chris has knocked it out of the park with his workmanship. The beams up here.
They've even got the iron.
I love that. And it's chic.
This is the biggest swing they've taken yet. This is Holly and Graham's Heritage Homestead. Whoa.
Wow.
It's feeling homesteady already. Very warm and welcoming, somewhere you want to sit and relax. Love this art wall that they've done.
And there's no like live, laugh, love sign, so we're good.
This fireplace, it's been done extremely well.
I like the color
height
of the
is good.
stone too.
Yeah.
What I really like, he's taken the material that we saw a lot of in other rooms. He's done the mantle. He's also done this great beam here in the vaulted ceiling.
I think this is their bonus build.
Is it?
There we go.
Oh, okay. They made a space feel as big as it could possibly feel.
Rashida and Jake. Okay.
Look at that. This is bold. This looks like it should be on the 54th floor of a luxury hotel.
This amazing fireplace. It feels
I
opulent.
agree. When you're in a vacation rental, you want to feel like you're somewhere special.
Now, they did have a bonus build. Where is it?
There's two pieces of art. It's got to be behind one of them. She found it. They are leaning into their theme. I think they hit their brand of opulence.
I think this is timeless.
It's hard to make a decision as to whether or not this is the winning great room. We got to take them all into consideration. This is not going to be an easy decision. Let's figure it out.
Okay.